Hey, what's up everybody? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can go and quickly build a newsletter on Beehiiv. So let's just quickly get into it. Let me open Beehiiv. If you guys don't have a account, I will give a link in description as well. You guys can go from there and sign up and create an account. Once you have done that, we'll just go here and select posts. And here what you guys can do is you can either build your newsletter from scratch and or either you can just go and use a template. And I will highly recommend you to go and make your template first, and you can just go and use it for any new newsletter you want. Now here I have erased my template. What will I do is I'll just go here and hit plus button, or I can just go and hit slash, and here I'll just add an image and hit use from library. Here, as you guys can see, I have already used some images before which are appearing here. I'll just go and select this, and here you can further go and add description. You can edit this text further. You can edit it, you can make it italic, you can make it bold, you can make it underlined, whatever you want. For example, if we go here and we can make it bold, we can add headings to it, we can edit its color, we can align text, we can do everything you want to do in your newsletter. Basically every option is provided to you guys. Let me just go here, and what you guys can do here, you can add a number list, bullet list. For example, here let me go and quickly add some text in form of bullets. And for example here, and if we just select this text like this, we can go and align it. For example, if I make it bold, and we can change its color. Let me go and let's make it like this and hit on set color. Its color is changed, and here I will go and you can use headings as well. I will use heading 1 as it's important. I will go here and write topic 1, and I will change its color just like before. I will set this color topic 1 and add an image here. Hit slash again, add image, use from library. For example, this, I'll hit this, and that's how simple it is to quickly build your newsletters. Now here I'll go and add a button. For example, here I'll just go and let's add a subscribe button. For example, this is just to show you guys how things are done. And I can go here, I can change its color, I can change its background color. Let's add no color here, and just like this. And you can quickly go and preview your letter from this side. Now these are some basic options that are being used. You can add your socials just by going here and hitting slash. Here you can add your socials, add links from other social media platforms you want, and everything basically you guys need to make a good newsletter. You can add sections, you can add content break, whatever you guys want. So basically these are some common options I've showed you guys that are commonly used. You can add an audio as well. So that's it for today's video. If the video was useful for you guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. See you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.